Welcome to a 1-minute review. This is the beginner drone set from ScharkSpark. These are 2 drones right here that we'll get into individually. I'm not going to really cover this one because this one you can't even purchase anyway. If you wanted to, just go check out the full review, which I'll link right here. Let's talk about the Warrior 2. The Warrior 2 comes with the actual controller, the Warrior 2 drone itself, and replacement rotors. The remote takes 3 AAA batteries. It has all the functionality you'd expect from a toy drone. It also has some features like 3D flip, which is just a gimmick. It also has 1-key return. It has automatic takeoff and landing by pushing a button, and an emergency stop button. The drone also has advanced features like headless mode, which allows it to actually be controlled via the direction you're facing instead of the direction it's facing. The arms fold in to actually make the drone a lot more compact when you're actually in travel. The battery on this thing pops right out from here and it charges via micro USB. It's kind of hard to sum this up in 1 minute, so please check out the full review. Thanks for watching, everybody.